If you're a music video director or want to be one, watch this video. In this video, I'll be going through my process of how we shot Memoir's latest music video, Chef's Kiss. First, all videos start with an email. Notice I didn't say DM. Anyways, I got an email asking about a music video, and essentially after a couple back and forth and legal stuff, I was like, bet, let's do it. After that, it's treatment time. I use milanote to basically host my brain shards. It's always important to have all your thoughts organized in one location for your sanity and to be, just be organized for other people that's going to be on your team to read along and tag along. Milanote is extremely useful for that. So boom, we basically have an aesthetic for what we are going for. Now we have to get a location, which I got recommended a great place on Peerspace. The place looked too good to be true, so my partner and I decided to go scout it for the day. The place was cool, but not what we were thinking. I saw the potential in it, but I knew for a fact that we would have to put a lot of love in the details. So with that being said, every day leading up to the shoot, I went to the surrounding stores in my area. I went to Goodwill to find little weird props and, just trinkets that would fit the aesthetic that we were going for. And if it didn't fit it, I forced it to match it. I painted everything. Wait, let's see if you can find those 3 Goodwill props that I showed you. I'll give you 3 seconds. Yeah, it was pretty easy. You just have to look for gold. And here's some extra arrows in case you didn't see that first one. But before we knew it, we had a strict plan of how many people were going to be on set and who was going to do what. And all we had 2 PAs, a makeup artist, art director, a gaffer, and then my business partner, the DP, and me, the director. So this was a quick video. I just wanted to show y'all what all it took to create a video that looks like this. Of course, I didn't show every single detail, but this is kind of the basis of what I do. They reach out, I make a treatment, make a concept, I refine, I scout, I buy props, I create a schedule, build a team, and then we're here on the day of, and then boom. Look at these shots. Ooh. Comment your favorite scene below. Thanks for watching. I know the video was quick, but if you want to see more content like this, go ahead and give me a follow. And if you have any topics you want me to discuss, leave a comment. Bye.